In this video, I'm going to explain the YouTube AI label, which can automatically label your videos as AI-generated content, and how to fix it if it's wrong. Hi, and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Alright, YouTube recently rolled out a new AI transparency feature that creators should know about. If you create videos using AI tools, or even if you use AI for certain parts of your workflow, you may start seeing AI disclosure labels appear on your videos. And what most people don't know is that YouTube can apply these labels even if you don't add them yourself. So let's take a look. When you upload a video to YouTube, you may now see a new section asking whether you used AI to create content that could realistically be mistaken for real footage. And if you have, you should check this box and disclose that AI was used. Now, if you choose not to check the box, that doesn't necessarily mean the video won't get labeled. YouTube has stated that if its systems determine that AI-generated or altered content is present, it may automatically apply the disclosure label for you. And that's where a lot of creators have questions. How does YouTube know? According to YouTube, their systems can use a variety of signals, including metadata, to help determine whether or not AI was used. YouTube has also published information about this process on their creator blog, where they explain how these labels work. Now, if YouTube incorrectly flags your video or applies a label that you believe is inaccurate, you can go into your YouTube studio and update the disclosure settings yourself, so you're not necessarily stuck with that label forever. Another thing worth mentioning is where these labels appear. At least for now, the disclosure label does not show up on your thumbnail. Instead, it appears beneath the video player. That means it probably won't affect whether or not someone clicks on your video, since viewers generally won't see the label until after they've already started watching. Of course, YouTube may continue to refine this system over time, but for now, it's something every creator should be aware of. Alright, if you've had YouTube automatically apply a label to one of your videos and it was wrong, I'd be curious to hear about your experience. Comment below. And as always, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.